Hello students, the connection between Python programming learning outcomes and the Capstone project challenge for STEM students. So every Capstone challenge you have to find the connection between the programming of Python or Python with your cap. So you have to examine the LOs in the computer science in your journal exam. So here in this video I approximate this connection. So let's check for this year of 24-25 journal. This journal. So you have to focus on the title, the purpose of the cap, harvesting and storing energy from unconventional resources. Also, you have to know and focus on the big idea, and then the very important thing is to focus on the design challenges, design requirements, okay, or the specification of your prototype, like this one, okay, the dimensions and all these things, and all other requirements for the design requirements, then the materials will be used. Then the concepts of the learning outcomes of the computer science, which is in programming by Python. This one, so we have this very simple and basic concepts in programming by Python, like the concepts of data types, variables, conditional statements, looping statements, and functions, and object-oriented OOP, object-oriented programming. Also, we have more focus in the arithmetic and assignment operations. Also, during this we build programs and debug and test this program and compile this program and get the output, so feeding it with special inputs. And then the decision making or making decisions using a statement. So we have the conditional and logical expressions, the statements of if or switch. You can build a switch statement in Python. There is no switch statement in Python. And we have the assignment comparison logical operators, which is and or not. Or you can build a complex logic using both relational and logic operators, relational, which is greater than, less than, or equal or not equal, and then loops, which focus on while loop and for loop. All this is the basic concepts in Python. Moreover, we have the concepts for functions and arrays in Python. Don't forget the variables of the differences and usage of lists, tuple, sets, and dictionaries in Python. So, if we simplify the connection, we go back to the file, and this is a very important connection, is to collect data and analyze this data using the numbers and number and matplotlib labels from Python. Matplotlib helps you to visualize these relations from your test plan. From your test plan, Capstone, you collect the data, and this data you will visualize in Python using matplotlib. This function is very important. Matplotlib is very important. You have to focus on this matplotlib because this one is very important for you. Okay? The second is simulation and modeling. To simulate and model, it's also using the matplotlib function or science Python or simulation Python. SIMPY or science, SCI stands for science, PyWall matplotlib library. So before constructing devices like a vertical wind turbine or micro hydro system, students can simulate energy output based on wind speeds, water flow rates, or solar radiation. The third thing is this is advanced. This you will find in the Capstone for grade 11 لسنة ثانية وسنة ثالثة، انك تعمل control system to control some device or to control some output, pumps or fans, or any device you can make a control using Raspberry or Arduino with Python-based IDs. Machine learning is very important and complicated, and this you can use this integration or connection in the third year in grade 12 only, because machine learning is under the umbrella of artificial intelligence applications. So in here this is advanced, this is in the Capstone in the information technology, and this is not allowed on grade 10 and grade 11. It's allowed in grade 12. Okay, focus on this one, very important. The prototyping and hardware integration. Python supports IoT, Internet of Things integration with sensors, voltage, current, temperature via respiratory, BI or Arduino. Helps in real-time energy monitoring and feedback system. And this also you will not find in Capstone for grade 10 and grade 11. It will allow only this using IoT or information to internet things, Internet of Things. This only in grade 12 Capstones. Okay. Documentation and report automation, as you can generate automated reports for experimental data. This is also advanced. This is very advanced, and I think you will not need this one for documentation or report, but you can write about this all in your Capstone journal if you have any of these questions or related question in your transfer in your journal. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.